Good afternoon and welcome to the Bolivar Avenues project meeting. Thank you for joining us. Please be advised this meeting will be recorded. A recording of the meeting will be available via the Cleveland Water YouTube channel. Please share this information with neighbors who are not available for this live broadcast. Following the presentation, you will be welcome to enter your questions in the chat. Meeting coordinator will read the questions to the project manager for response. It is now my pleasure to introduce the project manager for the Bolivar Avenue project, Matthew Sprons.
Thank you, Sandra. Good evening, everyone. My name is Matt Sprons. I work for Cleveland Water. I'll be the project manager for the Bolivar Avenue water main replacement project. Thank you for joining us this evening. This evening's agenda will consist of opening remarks, project description and overview, traffic, parking, and contact information, questions and comments, and closing remarks. Project summary, the total project cost is $914,000. The contract for this work was awarded to Terrace Construction Company. The estimated construction start date will be August 15th, 2024, and the estimated construction completion date will be October 31st, 2024. The limits of work are along Bolivar Avenue from East 9th Street to Prospect Avenue as shown on the map. Project features, the project will include water main renewal on Bolivar Avenue from East 9th Street to Prospect Avenue, installation of approximately 1,210 linear feet of new 8-inch main, replacement of valves, fire hydrants, and service connections, restoration of pavement, and complete pavement restoration from curb to curb. Traffic, parking, and contact information is our next agenda item. Traffic and parking. Contractors' typical work hours are from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. City ordinance does allow for the contractors to work until 7 p.m. Traffic and driveway access will be maintained while construction is underway. Residents will be notified in advance of changes. Water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project. There will be temporary service connections on this project. Parking on the street is not permitted during construction. No parking signs will be posted and cars will be towed if they are left on the road. Cleveland Water project contacts. That's mine listed there. Matt Sprons, I'm the project manager. My contact information is there. Mike Anzalone is the inspector for the City of Cleveland Division of Water. His contact information is shown there. Also, Mike Ginto of Terrace Construction Company and Tim Leap of Terrace Construction Company will be the project managers for Terrace Construction, and their contact information is shown there, as well as the after hours emergency line and the Cleveland Water emergency line. And that concludes the presentation for today's public meeting. If there are any questions, please let us know.
I'm not seeing any questions in the chat, so that will conclude the meeting. Thank you for joining us today. If you require additional information, please feel free to contact us with questions or concerns. Again, the meeting recording will be available at Cleveland Water's official YouTube channel. Thank you.